Hello viewers, welcome back to the Affiliate Marketing Complete course. In our previous class, we discussed everything about dropshipping. What is it, how it works, and how you can start this business. If you have completed that class carefully, then today's lesson will be super easy for you because dropshipping and drop servicing are quite similar in concept. Today, we will talk about drop servicing. That means what is drop servicing, how exactly does it work, how can you start this business, and how will our course help you with it. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. What is drop servicing? Simply put, drop servicing is a business model where you can sell a service under your own brand name, but the actual work is done by another professional. In short, you act as a middleman where others do the work and you keep the profit. Let's make it clear with an example. Suppose you are a freelancer or a digital marketer. You already know that people need services like website design, logo design, SEO, meta ad service, Google ad service, content writing, and more. But it's not possible for you to do everything on your own. So, what can you do? You can create your own website or agency where you offer different digital services like website design $300, logo design $100, and SEO service $400. Now, let's say a client visits your website and places an order for a website design at $300. After receiving the order, you go to Fiverr or Upwork and find a freelancer who can do the same job for just $150. You assign that freelancer to complete the project, and once it's done, you deliver it to your client. Here, you profit $150. Here, you didn't do the work yourself, but you still make money by selling the service under your brand. This is the power of drop servicing. Now let's see how you can start this business step by step. Number one, create a professional website or portfolio where you can showcase your services beautifully. Number two, select a few specific service categories. For example, logo design, SEO, social media marketing, meta ads, Google ads, video editing, etc. Number three, go to Fiverr or Upwork and find reliable freelancers and discuss price, delivery time, and terms before making a deal. Number four, set your own service price on your website, obviously higher than what you pay the freelancer. Number five, start promoting your services. You can promote through Facebook page, YouTube, Instagram, or even paid ads. When a client places an order on your website, you simply forward the task to the freelancer. After the work is done, you deliver it to the client, and the remaining margin is your profit. Here's the big question. Why would clients pay more to your agency instead of hiring a freelancer on Fiverr for a lower price? Excellent question. There are several important reasons behind this. Let's break it down. Number one, trust and professional presentation. Most clients get confused on Fiverr or Upwork because there are thousands of freelancers, some asking $10 or some around $100. So it's hard to tell who is good or who is bad. But if you create a clean and professional agency website with services types clearly listed, work portfolio, client feedback and testimonials, and fixed pricing structure, then people will see you as trustworthy and professional. They will think this agency seems serious, less hassle, and more reliable. And that's why they are willing to pay extra. Number two, time saving and hassle free experience. On Fiverr, clients have to do everything themselves, finding freelancers, messaging, verifying, following up, and etc. As an agency, you offer a done for you experience, such as you find the freelancer, handle revisions, and ensure delivery. The client only places the order and everything else is managed by you. This saves time and gives them a peace of mind, so they don't mind paying more. Number three, quality assurance. Working on Fiverr is not always consistent. sometimes great and sometimes disappointing. As a drop server, you vet freelancers before assigning work, review and refine the work, and deliver only top quality results. Then client will feel this agency guarantees quality, so I can trust them. And that's why they will come to you even at a higher price. Number 4, brand perception. For example, a freelancer offers a logo for $50 on Fiverr, but you sell the same service for $150 with a professional agency presentation. Like clean website, professional domain name, testimonials, money back guarantee, and unlimited revisions. So clients think this brand is established and they must deliver great work. Basically, people don't always buy the cheapest service, they buy the most trustworthy and professional one. Number 5, after sales support. As an agency, you can provide post delivery support. For example, website maintenance, SEO report updates, ongoing consultations, and etc. Clients know Fiverr's freelancer might not reply after the job is done, but your agency is always there for support. So they prefer working with you. Now the question is, how can you actually start your drop servicing business after completing this course? While doing affiliate marketing, we will create a dedicated menu on our website where we will directly sell various digital products and services such as ebooks, online courses, tools and plugins, Google Ad services, Meta Ad services, and more. Because our targeted audience will definitely need these types of services. Besides that, by the end of this course, you will learn some highly practical skills such as website design, content writing, advanced sales funnel setup, audience tracking, Google Ads, Meta Ads, and much more. That means after completing this course, we can either offer these services ourselves or use the drop servicing model to get them done by professionals and then sell them under our own brand name. Here's something very important to notice. Since we will be doing affiliate marketing with digital products and drop servicing also deals with digital services, so our targeted audience is almost the same for both. That's our biggest advantage. We can use the same traffic, the same audience to generate multiple income streams from a single platform. I hope everything is clear so far. Once you complete the advanced funnel strategy section, this entire drop servicing business model will become crystal clear to you. Alright, that's it for today's class. If you want to learn this course from start to finish and build a career in affiliate marketing, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our Facebook group. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.